Let's say you want to understand how years of experience affect salary in your organization. You've noticed a trend: people with more experience tend to earn more. But how can you actually measure and predict that? That's where linear regression comes in. Despite the technical name, it's actually a very straightforward idea. Linear regression is a method that draws the best possible straight line through your data to help you make predictions. Imagine you collect data on several employees. One person has 3 years of experience and earns $45,000. Another has 5 years and earns $55,000. Another has 10 years and earns $80,000. When you plot these on a graph, they won't form a perfect line, but there's a general upward trend. Linear regression looks at all these points and finds the line that best represents the overall relationship. This line allows you to say things like, if someone has 7 years of experience, we can reasonably expect to offer them about $65,000. Behind the scenes, the tool calculates a mathematical formula for this line. A common example might be salary equals 30,000 plus 5,000 times years of experience. In this formula, 30,000 is the starting point, called the intercept, and 5,000 is the amount salary increases for every additional year of experience. So for someone with 3 years, the model would predict 30,000 plus 5,000 times 3 equals 45,000. This approach is fast, transparent, and easy to explain. It's especially useful when the relationship between the variables is fairly straight and predictable, like sales increasing with more advertising spend, or house prices rising with square footage. Of course, linear regression has its limits. It doesn't handle complicated, non-linear patterns very well. It can also be thrown off by outliers, those rare data points that are far from the others. And if your input variables are too similar to each other, called multicollinearity, the model can become unreliable. Still, for many everyday business problems, linear regression is a powerful and simple way to turn historical data into forward-looking insight. Whether you're estimating revenue, setting budgets, or forecasting growth, it gives you a clear, interpretable starting point.